Have you noticed all the buzz about artificial intelligence lately? If you're also familiar with Google, and who isn't, I've got some exciting news for you. To be completely clear in this video, Google offers a powerful AI tool called Gemini. You can use a capable version for free right now through the Gemini app or website. It's designed to help with things like writing, learning and brainstorming. There's also a paid subscription called Gemini Advanced. But for this video, I'm discussing what you can do with the free version. Maybe you've seen it integrated into apps you already use. This tool will help you get more done in less time, sharpen your ability to solve complex problems, and tackle tasks you once thought were out of your reach. But what does that actually mean? By the time we're done, you'll have a powerful new resource at your fingertips that can help you work smarter, not harder. And maybe more importantly, what is this thing called Gemini? Let's dive in and discover how this free Google AI tool can become your new secret weapon for success. If you're curious, confused, or just want to understand what this powerful tool can do for you without costing a dime, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Surplus Bargains. On this channel, I research and share content that's both entertaining and educational, and you might even catch a special promotion along the way. All you have to do is just sit back and I'll explain, so that even I might learn something new. This isn't just a surface-level glance. We're going to unpack what Gemini is and explore the incredible capabilities you get access to for free. As I touch on how something this complex even works, and appreciate the massive journey it took to get us all here, I'll even tell you what I think this may look like 15 to 20 years from now. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand Gemini, but you'll hopefully have a real appreciation for the technology at your fingertips. So, let's start at the beginning. What is Google Gemini? Now, how does something like this even exist? Saying it's trained on data is easy, but the reality is mind-bogglingly complex. Building Gemini involved feeding it an unimaginably massive and diverse dataset. We're talking about text and code from the public web, books and other sources, potentially trillions of words. During this training phase, incredibly powerful computers, think vast data centers filled with specialized hardware like TPUs, tensor processing units, processed this data for weeks or even months. The goal wasn't just to store the information, but for the AI model to learn the relationships between words and concepts. It learns grammar, facts, reasoning abilities of a sort, different writing styles, and how to piece information together coherently. This requires not just immense computing power, which consumes significant energy, but also brilliant teams of researchers, engineers, linguists, and ethicists. They design the model's architecture, the underlying structure, curate and clean the massive datasets, fine-tune the model's performance, and crucially, work tirelessly on safety and alignment, trying to ensure the AI is helpful, honest, and harmless. You might wonder, where does your data go when you chat with Gemini? Generally, Google uses conversations, often anonymized and aggregated, to improve its products, including Gemini. You usually have controls over your Gemini activity history, similar to your Google search history. It's important to check Google's current privacy policies for the specifics, but they invest heavily in privacy-preserving techniques. The AI isn't remembering your personal life like a human would. It's learning patterns from vast amounts of interaction data to get better at responding helpfully and safely for everyone. So, when you use the free version of Gemini, remember the sheer scale of investment, the years of research, the groundbreaking engineering, the ongoing computational cost, the brilliant minds involved. It's a testament to decades of progress in artificial intelligence, now accessible to you. Okay, theory is great, but how do you use it effectively? First, be specific. The more detail and context you give Gemini in your prompt, the better the response will likely be. Instead of typing in, "write a short story," try typing or asking it to write a funny story about a squirrel who dreams of becoming a professional skateboarder. Second, set the stage. Tell Gemini who it should be. Act as a professional travel agent, or explain quantum physics like I'm a high school student. Third, don't expect perfection on the first try. If you don't like the response, ask it to try again. Make it shorter, funnier, more formal, or focus on a specific aspect. Treat it like a conversation. Fourth, experiment. Ask it to write a poem in the style of Shakespeare about your breakfast. Ask it to generate code for a simple web button. Ask it for jokes. Its sense of humor can be interesting. Discovering its capabilities is part of the fun. One Easter egg is simply exploring its creative limits. This technology is moving at lightning speed. What we have now is amazing, but it's just the beginning. In 5 years, expect AI like Gemini to be even more deeply integrated into everything we do. It will likely understand context much better, handle multiple types of information seamlessly, text, images, audio, maybe video, called multimodality, become more personalized and perhaps even more proactive in assisting us before we even ask. Imagine your digital tools working together, powered by AI to smooth out your daily tasks. In 15 to 20 years, this is much harder to even imagine without sounding dreamy and imaginative. But the potential is staggering. We might see AI capable of tackling incredibly complex scientific challenges, discovering new medicines, designing sustainable materials, optimizing global systems. It could become a true collaborative partner in creative and intellectual endeavors. Lifelong learning companions, deeply personalized healthcare advisors, tools that augment our own intelligence in ways we can barely imagine today. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and ongoing societal conversations about ethics, control, and impact will be more crucial than ever. The key is the compounding nature of AI development. Each improvement builds on the last, leading to exponential growth in capabilities. So that's Google Gemini, particularly the powerful version you can likely access for free right now. It's more than just a chatbot, it's a window into the cutting edge of AI, built on decades of research and incredible engineering effort. It's a tool that can help you learn, create, and solve problems. It's not perfect, and it's important to use it responsibly and critically evaluate its outputs. But the potential it unlocks right at your fingertips without a subscription fee for its core capabilities is truly remarkable. I encourage you to go try it out. Head over to gemini.google.com or look for it in the Google apps you use. Experiment, be curious, and see how it can help you. What are your thoughts on Gemini? Have you tried it? What's the coolest thing you've used it for? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. If you're a bargain hunter, hold on to your hats. I was all excited and ready to provide you with a 10% off code for RPNB safes, but I discovered they have a spring sale with 20% off. Listen, these safes are top-notch. Even if the site has a bigger promo, they're worth it. These safes are perfect for securing your trust documents, important papers, or anything else you don't want to lose. Some even have fingerprint recognition for quick access. This spring sale gives you a better deal, so if you're looking, grab it. If my 10% off code gives you a better deal than what's on their site when you buy, you can use it. Or if you just want to support the channel, use promo code SURPLUSBARGAINS at checkout. Just click the link in the description to go straight to the RPNB safe website. Stay secure, stay smart, and thanks for the support. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I focus on valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve people's lives. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.